Okay, today we're going to be doing part 1 of our alphabet soup assemblages. We're going to begin by tracing around the circle and cutting it out. Scraps can go in the recycle. And next we're going to be using some Cray-Pas or oil pastels to add our alphabet letters. Now we know from the soup they should be going different directions. You can use the alphabet chart for some ideas, and I think it's a good idea to use a different color for each letter. You can use the same color twice, but this way some of them might be upside down. If you find it's taking you a long time to write your letters, you can always write more than one with the same color while you have that color in your hand. Keep turning your circle around because remember, these letters are floating in soup, so they will be going all different directions. Don't forget to add a few white letters. You can even hide your name in your soup. If you want to make some little peas and carrots floating around, you could do that too. You're going to be making your placemat. You're going to begin with your name on the back, and you're going to be making that plaid pattern. Remember, a plaid is up and down, horizontal or vertical. You should choose either cool or warm colors. I'm going to start with my vertical lines. These don't have to be completely straight, but it's nice to use that wide angle and make a thicker line. It will make more pigment on your paper. So now you're going to get some plain water and a brush. And with just a little bit of water, you're going to be painting over these and turning that plaid line into paint. This helps it look like it's fabric. This is going to go to the drying rack. Next, you're going to be painting over your letters with the yellow temper cake to make it look like soup. Remember, you need plenty of water with the temper cake. Swish your brush around and around to really activate that color, and you're going to paint over all of your letters right up to the edge. When you're finished with this, these are going to go on the drying rack, and we will finish next time. So today we're going to continue on our alphabet soup pictures. We made the placemats with the plaid last time, and notice the way like the colors ran. That's okay. That's part of what helps it look like fabric. Today we're going to be attaching our alphabet soup part to a bowl, to a bigger white circle. We're going to be attaching a napkin. We're going to be adding these cast shadows, and that's really what helps this makes this look 3D. Notice how the cast shadows make an L around the napkin. They're not going all around it, just two sides, and then a C around the bowl. So it's like writing LC, some more alphabet practice. You're then going to be smudging that a little bit. And the last step will be to come over and get your spoon glued on with the hot glue. So to begin today, you're going to be tracing and cutting another circle. It's pretty important that you cut as neatly as possible on this. This should get centered right in the middle with a nice border all the way around. Use some glue stick. Make sure you get it all the way around the edges. Some in the center. Sometimes it helps to give it a rub on the back. Next, okay, you want to kind of line it up so that you have room for your napkin and your soup. Put some glue on your napkin. Glue on your soup. Make sure you get plenty of glue to hold this down. Flip it over, give it a good rub. Now for the cast shadows, we're using this kind of charcoal. It's pretty messy. I'm going to make a line right down along the edge and a C bring it over to get your spoon, and voila.